Welcome to Zero Day Swag. I'm your narrator and your plastic accountability buddy. Call me Toy Soldier Sarcastic Specialist. Around here, we break down every guard MOS like it's a tactical loadout, minus the sugar coating, no fluff, no recruiters in polos, just the truth. Let's see what this one's made of. When the lights go out, you don't panic. You fire up the backup. As a 91 Delta, you're the reason comms stay online, surgeries keep running, and operations don't stall in the dark. You handle diesel generators, mobile power units, and the guts of every electrical system that keeps the guard moving. This isn't plugging in an extension cord, this is tactical electricity, mission-critical power produced and protected under pressure. You'll get 9 weeks of specialized training at Fort Gregg Adams, learning how to inspect, overhaul, and maintain every part of a power plant system, from the internal combustion engine to the final output line. This MOS is for the ones who think better in emergencies, the ones who fix it while others are still looking for a flashlight. You'll run cables in the mud, troubleshoot under pressure, and bring entire systems back online with nothing but a toolbox and grit. Because in the Guard, power isn't just convenient, it's survival. And on the civilian job side, think utility companies, construction sites, disaster relief, anywhere that needs portable power and people who don't flinch when the lights go out. 91 Delta, generator on, game on. Power up and make the mission unstoppable. Got questions? Ask your recruiter. Don't be weird about it, you're fine. That's one MOS explainer vid down. Many more to go. You're either in the squad or your background noise. Check the rest of the playlist. Pick your chaos. 0 Day Swag's got an MOS explainer for it. Oh yeah, like and hit subscribe. Or don't, I'm just a toy. If you're still here, enjoy. Yeah, this track slaps, you're welcome.